Si Miss Camiguin is making an appearance here. And the quarter scoring natin, Coach Vic, dikit na dikit.
Sobrang dikit.
Bola nakuha ni Cruz. Castro. Clean swipe by Shaq Alanes leads to this layup in transition by J.R. Olegario.
Nag-iba na naman yung tema ng game pagpasok ni Olegario.
The unit on the floor for Coach Estong Ballesteros. Olegario sees an opening and he takes advantage of that one.
Humihit na naman sa kanan. Driving left, tapos pumunta sa kanan. Ganda.
Wala sa depensa ni Jomar Santos. J.R. Olegario restoring order for Valencia. And yet they're just down by 3 points. Castro. Wala. Nangunguna si Jello Ubuyes. Nakawala sa depensa. He will lay it in. Ubuyes. Copy ka ng bola. Lester Reyes. Sobra. Kolyado. Nandoon. Ganun-ganun lang. Put back.
This team, Valenzuela City Dark Horse is really high on this moment. Nakikita mo offensive rebound.
4 offensive rebounds, a total of 9 boards overall. Ubuyes with a pull-up jumper. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Valenzuela.
Just like that.
Koga. Backdoor cut. Nice finish on the interior by Jobert Medina. Having that positive mindset na ang haba pa ng season eh. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Ang dahil bang pwede mangyari and something to watch out for para sa mga taga Valenzuela. Lalo ito.
Tama yung sinabi ni Coach Estong kanina. Kailangan may programa talaga. But we could still, we can still check on that shot. Kita mo.
They are at 4 and 5. If they get this win, they will get back to 500. Putting in a string of games that would build them some momentum moving forward. At ayan, nakaagaw pa sila. Olegario, sidestep. 20 points na for J.R. Olegario. Taganas. Iliano coming off that screen. Umikot. Umasa sa ilalim. Cruz rejected by Lester Reyes. Found by Lester Reyes.
Grabe yung mga rebound na yun ni Lester Reyes. Yung mga offensive rebound niya.
And oftentimes, it has led to second chance points. Just putting Shaq Taganas in trouble with that move. Shifting for guys, scoring in double figures. Mateliano worries the 3. Baba sa 7.
Yeah, pwede pa yan.
Have to go quick. 4-on-1 fast break. Mateliano, another 3-pointer is good. 4 na lang. Valenzuela will bounce back. And notch win number 5. Against 5 losses while Parañaque, their woes continue.